Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix DJI error code 1005. So guys, this means that it is a firmware update failure or connection issues. So first, power off the drone, remote controller, and mobile device, and wait 30 seconds, then power everything back on. Another one is just simply ensure all USB or OTG cables are properly connected. And if you were using Wi-Fi, reconnect to the correct DJI network. Now, another one is just simply open a DJI Fly or DJI Ronin or DJI Assistant 2 application and retry the firmware update from scratch and ensure a strong internet. Now, guys, another one is you could do a factory reset. So, in the app, go to the settings and select restore factory settings to clear any bugs. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.